Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact Venmo. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money from friends and family. It's easy to use and it's free. However, there may be times when you need to contact Venmo customer support. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. How to contact Venmo. There are a few different ways to contact Venmo customer support. The Venmo website. You can go to the Venmo website and click on the help link. This will take you to a page where you can find answers to common questions and contact customer support. The Venmo app. You can open the Venmo app and tap on the settings icon. Then, tap on the help link. This will take you to a page where you can find answers to common questions and contact customer support. Social media. Venmo is active on social media, such as Twitter and Facebook. You can reach out to them on social media if you have any questions or concerns. Email. You can email Venmo at email protected. When to contact Venmo. There are a few reasons why you might want to contact Venmo customer support. Here are a few examples. You're having trouble logging into your account. You're having trouble sending or receiving money. You have a question about a transaction. You're experiencing a technical issue. Tips for contacting Venmo. Here are a few tips for contacting Venmo customer support. Be patient. Venmo customer support can be busy, so you may need to wait a bit for a response. Be polite. Even if you're frustrated, be polite to the customer service representative. Be specific. Tell the customer service representative what your problem is and what you need help with. Have your Venmo account information ready. This will help the customer service representative help you more quickly. Contacting Venmo customer support is easy. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll be able to get the help you need. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.